There's a real planet where it rains shards of glass sideways at nearly 5,000 miles per hour. This world is called HD 189733b, a giant gas planet over 60 light years away, gleaming blue like Earth, but with a deadly secret. From space, its color is striking, a deep azure blue, but this isn't the blue of oceans. It's from clouds of microscopic silicate glass particles. With winds raging at 7,000 to 8,000 kilometers per hour, any glass rain falls not gently, but sideways, slicing through the air in supersonic storms. Daytime temperatures soar to about 1,000 degrees Celsius. That's hot enough to melt most metals, and far beyond boiling water. HD 189733b is what astronomers call a hot Jupiter, about as large as Jupiter, over 11 times Earth's radius, yet orbiting far closer to its sun. In fact, its orbit is only 4.6 million kilometers from its star, 13 times closer than Mercury is to our sun. That tight orbit means a year on this planet lasts just 2 Earth days. It's racing around its star, locked so one side always faces the heat. From afar, HD 189733b looks uncannily like Earth, but up close, it's a world almost unimaginably hostile. Compare its winds. The fastest on Earth blow at 408 kilometers per hour, yet this planet's winds reach nearly 8,000, 20 times faster, fast enough to shred steel. The blue color comes from tiny droplets of glass, silicate particles, suspended in the upper atmosphere, scattering blue light much like air does on Earth, but at far higher temperatures. Instead of calm skies, ferocious storms whip these glass shards horizontally, turning every rainfall into a sideways hail of destruction. HD 189733b is so large, more than 1,300 Earths could fit inside it by volume. Yet its orbit hugs closer to its star than most comets travel to our sun. Astronomers have studied this planet intensely since its discovery in 2005, because it regularly passes in front of its star from our viewpoint, making it a reference world for atmospheric science. Using the Hubble Space Telescope, scientists measured the visible color of an exoplanet for the first time, confirming HD 189733b's vivid blue. They did this by tracking how the planet's reflected light dipped as it moved behind its star, detecting changes in blue wavelengths that revealed the planet's true hue. The James Webb Space Telescope went even further, identifying hydrogen sulfide, the same molecule that makes rotten eggs smell, in the planet's thick, roiling clouds. Detecting molecules like water vapor and hydrogen sulfide lets scientists test how such extreme worlds form, evolve, and churn their atmospheres under alien physics. In a sense, HD 189733b is a cosmic laboratory, a natural test site for exploring how planets grow and weather under relentless heat and wind. Because it's so easy to spot, with frequent transits and a strong atmospheric signal, it's become one of the go-to exoplanets for testing new telescopes and chemical models. Every new observation peels back another layer: sulfur chemistry, glass rain, violent winds, and perhaps more secrets yet to come. To sum it up, a planet that looks like a peaceful blue giant, but harbors storms and rain no life could survive, and weather that outpaces anything in our solar system. HD 189733b may be forever out of reach, but it's a window into the wild possibilities of worlds beyond our sun. HD 189733b's extreme environment is nothing like home. Instead of liquid water, its heat creates vitreous storms, a planet forged by fire and wind. In fact, day and night are locked. The same side always faces the star, roasting non-stop, while the dark side freezes, driving the wildest winds ever seen. Just how close is HD 189733b to its star? About 13 times closer than Mercury is to ours, meaning more intense gravity, heat, and storms. Its blue hue might remind us of home, but there's nothing on Earth remotely like glass rain at thousands of kilometers an hour. It's been under the scientific spotlight since 2005, with nearly every major space telescope returning to study its atmosphere. Recent JWST data showed that sulfur isn't just present, it's active, driving clouds and chemistry we're only beginning to understand. HD 189733b challenges what we expect from alien worlds. One side always scorched, endless wind, and a sky shimmering with lethal glass. For now, it's a reminder. The cosmos holds worlds that are stranger and more dramatic than science fiction could invent. That's your Cosmic Bite for today. Tap subscribe. I've got a fresh space fact for you every single day.